affected by the high-temperature weather in summer. Diversified ice use scenarios such as equipment cooling and cooling activities have emerged. The demand for ice cubes has significantly increased. The customer sees a business opportunity and entrusts IceSource, CBFI, to build a 10-ton direct cooling ice block factory. And equipped with aluminum row ice storage to store ice blocks. The icing host adopts Hornbell screw compressor. Efficient, energy-saving and stable ice making. CBFI linkage control system. One-click startup device automation operation. Reduce manual intervention. After ice making is completed, one click can complete de-icing. After the ice tray carries the ice blocks to the designated height. Sent ice to the cold storage for storing by the ice pushing device. The ice making process is efficient and convenient with a high degree of automation. Convenient ice removal platform effectively improves ice removal efficiency. IceSource, CBFI, always focuses on innovation and service upgrading in the refrigeration industry, dedicated to providing you with efficient and reliable refrigeration services.